Sí, la curva. Hay mucha área.
Hoje tá um calor do caralho.
Calor demais. Ixi. Mas vale a pena para aprender, né? Deu para ver uma coisa muito diferente. Eu consegui ver pela primeira vez em 3D. Em 3D consegui ver. Muito bom, muito bom. Nada como manter a calma e observar. Né? Mas quantas plantas a gente viu em 5 dias? Quantas vezes eu me abaixei para ver?
Olá!
First, I want you to write by your own way.
Okay.
Yeah, just why as you feel.
Okay.
You can do
Whatever.
Yes, I
whatever
know.
you want. Yeah.
But I want to learn how to start the wire.
Now, let's do as
No,
far
okay,
as you
okay,
know.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
My
then-
way.
Use your knowledge.
Yes.
Then
Yeah.
Use your knowledge. Caraca.
fica o tempo que for.
Eu faço vídeo pra gente botar no canal como regatando. Helena apanhando.
E os agregados.
Helena apanhando e Ronaldo com a sobrenome. Simões. Ronaldo Simões. Pô, sobrenome bonito.
Que é isso?
Sobrenome chique, pois é. Ronaldo Simões, nome artístico.
Aquí descargamos perfectamente la oreja y la montan encima. Hacen dos alturas. Hacen dos alturas con esta rama. Estoy diciéndole que yo hasta hace poco, esta rama, esta que se está tropezando ya mucho, se cortaba aquí. Y sigo ramificando. Exacto.
the bigger one, I show you. So big one suit the man. But very strange. Not nice. Set some wire. I don't know. Like a bow. Like a bow.
Vamos lá.
Yeah, this one like a bow. Not nice. Come on here. Like a bow. But it's too stiff. Too hard to wipe it.
Sí, la curva.
Anh try it. Like that. And chain. Now, when we chain the branches. At that position, it be here, but in this position, it be here. Yeah.
He's asking if you take this branch out, if you cut it, it will be beautiful. It's still beautiful. Is it still beautiful?
If you more beautiful, if cut here, depends on your mind. But for me,
Good for you.
we should cut because when we cut this one, we make the tree look
cortaría.
younger. This brand make the tree look young, look
Esta
older.
rama hace la árbol parecer
Yeah.
más vieja.
Different, especially different. This position and the size of the branch make the tree look older, stronger.
Esta posición de
Está gravando
esta
isso?
rama hace la árbol parecer más vieja.
Look younger and weak, not strong. This is a ball, man.
Você saca a rama, a árvore vai
Vai
parecer,
ser más joven.
parecendo mais flaca.
Menos joven.
Sim.
A good bonsai for me just has some branches, less branches, but more
Bueno bonsai
small,
tem
menos
poucas
ramas.
ramas,
Y es
pero que
eso-
ramas que se vão belas.
Like this one, 1, 2,
Y
3,
eso es verdad, uno cuando empieza
enough.
siempre deja
But
ramas,
more
corta poco,
branches.
cortas un poco
Look
y
nicer. Much
mejora el
nicer.
árbol un buen.
Like the ficus,
Monta.
the ficus at the garden. Andres and you send a picture. Show me. Not nice.
Vamos lá.
Not nice.
You don't like it?
Not nice.
Why? Why?
It's not nice enough. Too much branches. If it's mine, I cut a lot.
Oh,
I cut a lot of branches.
I understand. I can understand.
Why?
So, you think it should be more clean? Less branches, more.
Nice, but neat.
But what?
Neat. Neat.
Neat. What is neat, Sensei?
Isso é mais organizado.
Oh, okay.
But I think it depends on the viewer. But for me,